Rock with me to trade school part 8. Today's objective is building a wall. First step is measurements. Complete. Marks for screw placement. Level to make sure we're even. Drilling to connect our new wall with the existing one. Cutting wood blocks for the shelf add-on. Instructor be the magician. Last step for today's session. Drilling to assemble and secure everything together. Come back to see the add-on, and don't forget to follow for more.